Hello guys and welcome to another trade recap. Today is the 11th of March and so the news we had today was the job openings which came out bullish for the dollar and bearish for the euro, and we have Trump speaking at 9 p.m. which doesn't affect us because we are not trading anymore. But yeah, let's get right into it and not waste any time. So I started looking at the chart today at around 9 a.m. I'd say. So we can clearly see we're bullish, and then on the 1 hourly we can mark out where we started looking at the chart, just here I'd say. And yeah, so we were bullish and we wanted a pullback, and we can clearly see there is this nice fair value up that we retraced into just here. This is what I had marked out at the very beginning of the day. I even had a screenshot to say that this is what I wanted to see. And yeah, we were looking for longs because the bias was long on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. And yeah, we retraced into this fair value gap. We also had this nice accumulation before the move up just here, which we could have gone further into, but I guess you could call it this whole move from here down to here is an order block. And yeah, I spelled order wrong. I don't think it matters, but yeah, that whole thing is an order block, and we pushed down into the fair value gap, and as we can see, we then rallied back up. And I wanted to see these highs get taken out. These were the London lows, so we had swept the London lows, which was a key indication for me that I can go long. We'll get into it on the other chart, but yeah, I wanted to see these highs get swept, and that was my TP for today. It did go a lot higher, and we did target this sweep just here. Oops. Targeted this sweep just here. Bang, just like that. And we swept that level, and I did predict this to happen. However, I didn't take the TP that high. I just wanted to secure TP. And yeah, we swept my TP and then dumped. And we hit this TP at around near 6 p.m. And I wasn't willing to be in the trade that long. But yeah, I entered the trade at around 11 and I got out around 12:30ish. And because we had news at 2 p.m., so I wanted to be out the trade by the time we had finished with news. So news was around here. But yeah, now let's get into the trading chart because there is more to go into. So yeah, we had the Asian low, which I didn't think we're going to target because we were bullish. And then we had the fair value gap that I was talking about. We pushed into the fair value gap. And yeah, I took two trades, which I'll explain both right now. I got stopped out of the first one, and the second one I won. This should be here as well. But yeah, we'll leave it as that. So yeah, we had this nice sweep of the London lows. We then came to re-sweep, and we came into this fair value gap just here. Bang, just like that. And we then pushed out of equilibrium as well. Had a nice close. I entered here, got a good entry, and I put stop loss around, I'd say, nearly one pip under the previous low. And yeah, we came and got swept, and this wasn't great. I did get a bit annoyed, shall we say, but it is a pattern that plays out on the euro against the dollar quite often. So we always see something. What have I pressed? Something. So we see an initial sweep, second sweep, and then a third sweep, and then after the third sweep, we get the move upwards. Keeping this in mind, I did re-enter again. So I waited for pretty much the same thing as the first time. So I just didn't use equilibrium the second time. I waited for a fair value gap formation, and as we can see clearly here, we had a nice fair value gap that we held and pushed up out of. And yeah, as soon as we went back down into the fair value gap the second time, I entered, and I got a really, really good entry. The entry was just here, based off this candle. And yeah, my stop loss was only 4 pips. This is wrong. It was a bit bigger. Yeah, 4 pips. Just under this previous low, or at the low. And I was targeting the London session highs. And yeah, from there it was a pretty smooth trade. We just kept going up and up. But initially I did have to fight for an entry. It was a good risk to reward trade as well. It was a 1 to 8.65. I made around $700 in this trade, but accounting for the loss, we made around $570 today, which is still great. I'll put a screenshot up of it right now. But yeah, it was a pretty smooth trade. I definitely could have waited for the third sweep, as I know that's how the euro against the dollar plays out. But other than that, I am pretty satisfied with the trade and how it played out. There's not much I can improve on except waiting for this. Bias was spot on today. Prediction was spot on. I can put a screenshot up on the screen right now on how I predicted the market today because I drew out a little path, and it looks very similar to how the price played out. So yeah, I'm overall satisfied with the bias and how I predicted the market, and we did manage to get the move today. And yeah, I did stick to Euro USD, which is good. So I did follow all the rules. Risk management was really good. But yeah, accounting for the loss, the win ate up the loss, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'm proud of this trade, and that's about it. So for tomorrow, I won't be trading because we have CPI, and then for Thursday, I won't be trading because we have PPI and unemployment claims. And then Friday, depending on how the price action is on Thursday, I might be trading. We'll see what happens. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching this trade recap. I am satisfied with the trade, and I'm happy to show you guys this trade as it was a pretty good setup. And yeah, I hope you guys did well. I hope you guys took some wins today, as the price action wasn't bad for once. But yeah, hope you guys took some wins and got the wins on your account and follow your trading rules. And yeah, thanks for watching.